In matrices, transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. In this video, we are going to cover matrix and transpose of matrix. First, transpose of matrix. If matrix A is given of order m by n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix A is called transpose of matrix A and denoted by A dash or AT. It means transpose of matrix we will denote by letter A dash. It implies if matrix A is of order m by n, then transpose of matrix will be of order n by m. And position of element, if position of element is Aij, then it becomes Aji. Means, with the help of example, we can further clarify it. If A equal to a matrix of order 2 by 3, A, B, C elements of first row, D, E, F are the elements of second row, then A transpose we can write as first row in first column. First row ABC, write in first column ABC. Second row DEF, write as second row DEF. Means interchange rows and columns. First row becomes first column, second row is second column. And order interchange. 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 order. That is known as transpose of matrix A. Now some properties of transpose. Again, let A is any matrix of order m by n. Then transpose of matrix or AT of T is matrix itself. With the help of example, you can clarify it. K into A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. Third property for transpose of matrix, minus A negative of matrix whole transpose equal to negative of transpose of matrix. Fourth property, if two matrices A and B given, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Next property, A minus B whole transpose, it is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. And sixth property, which is very important, you have to remember it, product of two matrices. If A and B, find the product of two matrices, whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. It is not in same order, A transpose into B transpose. Order is changed now. So remember this. This is very important property. This sixth property. Whenever product of two matrices you are going to find, then AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So these six properties of transpose of matrix you have to prepare and remember. And with the help of these six properties, you have to solve questions. And next, some properties. Like now, next one is symmetric matrix. A square matrix A of order m by n means number square matrix. I hope all of you know. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns is known as square matrix. And square matrix is said to be symmetric if its transpose equal to matrix A. If A transpose equal to A, then you can say matrix A is symmetric. Means position of elements Aij equal to Aji for all possible values of I and j. For example, A equal to 2, 3, 3, 4. Position of 2 is A11. Like Aij, you can read here A11. Position of 3 is here. First row second column means A12. Position of this 3, second row first column A21, and minus 4 is A22. In A transpose, first row write down as first column, second row and second column we will get A transpose. Means you can say A12 equal to A21 equal to 3 here. Now next, half order 3 by 3. Again, if B interchange, the first row 5 to 1. In B transpose, write down 5 to 1 first column. Second row is 2 0 minus 1. Second column 2 0 minus 1. Third row 1 minus 1 3. Third column 1 minus 1 3. Means B and B dash here rows and column interchange. It implies B dash is a transpose of B. Now just observe properties. In properties you can write A12 equal to A21. A12 means 2. This element equal to A21. A13 equal to A31. A23 equal to A32 equal to minus 1. So there is no importance of diagonal elements whatever written here. For symmetric matrix, remember Aij equal to Aji. Means if simply remember if A dash equal to A, then we can say matrix is symmetric matrix. Next, skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A dash equal to minus A. Means Aij equal to minus Aji. And for diagonal elements apply the same rule. Aia equal to minus Ai means Aia equal to 0 means elements of diagonals are 0. A equal to 0 minus 3 3 0. A dash first row in first column 0 minus 3. Second row in second column 3 0. And which is equal to minus A, because in matrix if you multiply by minus sign you will get A dash. Or one more example. B written B dash first row in first column 0 2 minus 1. First column 0 2 minus 1. Second row minus 2 0 minus 7 minus 2 0 minus 7. Second column. Third row 1 7 0 1 7 0. Third column. It is same as minus B in B multiplied by minus sign. Multiply by minus sign means in each and every element you have to multiply by minus 1. Then again you will get B dash. It implies B dash equal to minus B. Property also you can observe A12 equal to minus A21. A12 first row second 2 equal to minus 2. Minus 1 equal to minus of minus 1 means 1. Minus 7 equal to minus of minus 7 equal to 7. And elements of diagonals are 0. It is known as skew symmetric matrix. Some properties. If a square matrix A is given, then A into A dash is symmetric. Product of A and A dash means transpose of it. Product of matrix and its transpose is also a symmetric matrix for any square matrix. For proof, let B equal to A into A dash, then B dash equal to A into A dash whole transpose. Already you have covered property AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Same property apply here. A transpose whole transpose into A transpose. Then A transpose whole transpose equal to A into A transpose, which is equal to B. It implies A into A transpose is a symmetric matrix for any square matrix A. For example, A given, A dash given. Because A is 7 3 9 6, A dash first row in first column 7 3, or second row in second column 9 6. Now find out A into A dash. A written, A dash written. Multiplication of matrices covered. First row multiply in first column. So 7 7 ja 49 plus 3 3 ja 9. 49 plus 9 58. Similarly, first row in second column 81. Second row first column 81 and second row second column 117. And also write down B dash means transpose of B and which is also equal to B. In this pattern you can say A into A dash is a symmetric matrix for any square matrix A. Next, if a square matrix A is given, then A plus A dash is also a symmetric matrix. Same process, same derivation. Let B equal to A plus A dash. Then B dash equal to A plus A dash whole dash. Apply property. A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. A dash plus in place of B, A dash written. The next step, A dash and A dash whole dash equal to A. It is commutative. Also we can write A plus A dash equal to B. It implies B dash equal to B means A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. For example, A given, A dash given, find out A plus A dash equal to this and which is also equal to B dash. Next, for the square matrix A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Proof, let B equal to A minus A dash. Find out B dash. Apply the property. A dash minus A, take minus common. A minus A dash equal to minus B. Means A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. For example, A given, find out A dash, then A minus A dash. A minus A dash equal to 0, minus 6, 6 and 0. Find out B dash and which is equal to minus B. Therefore, we can say A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Now, next, which is very important theorem of this topic. If any square matrix A is given, then it can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. For proof, let A be any square matrix, then A we can write as 1 by 2 into 2A. 2A write down as A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. Since A plus A 2A and A dash minus A dash cancel out, the result remains same. Open the bracket to 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. 1 by 2 A plus A dash assume as P and second as Q. Now find out P dash. P dash means 1 by 2 A plus A dash whole dash equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash whole dash. Already in previous we have covered A plus A dash is symmetric. Same process apply here. And after solving you are getting as P. It implies P dash equal to P means P is symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix means half A plus A dash is a symmetric. Now next, Q dash, half A minus A dash whole dash, half outside A minus A dash whole dash. Again open the bracket, A dash and A complement whole complement equal to A dash minus A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Take minus common and you are getting minus Q. Hence, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A can be written as sum of symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. It is the proof of this theorem. Now, example. If matrix A is given as 7, 3, 5, 6, you have to express as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Then solution. Whenever any matrix given, first you assume A equal to given matrix and find out A dash. Then let P equal to A plus A dash. Find out sum of these two matrices A and A dash, getting 14, 8, 8, 12. And which is equal to P dash. If you interchange row and column, matrix remains same. It implies it is equal to P dash, means it is a symmetric matrix. Then find out Q, A minus A dash, equal to 0 minus 2, 2, 0. Then you can say Q is a skew symmetric matrix. And now then A we can express as sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix, means 1 by 2. A plus A dash means 14, 8, 8, 12 plus 1 by 2. A minus A dash 0 minus 2, 2, 0. Multiply 1 by 2 is an every element. You will get 7, 4, 4, 6 plus second multiply by 1 by 2, 0 minus 1, 1, 0. Or we can say A equal to first matrix plus second matrix, or A equal to, in place of A 7, 3, 5, 6 we can write as symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix. And also you can verify 7 plus 0, 7, 3 we can write as 4 minus 3, 5, 4 plus 1, and 6, 6 plus 0. It implies any matrix we can express as the sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix. Next question. Express as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Second question. A matrix of order 3 by 3 is given. You have to express as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. And third question. Again a matrix of order 3 by 3 given. You have to express as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix.